Also, may I be ecstatic again? Helps. Color me deceased. By ecstatic, you're referring to taking ecstasy, correct?
It's very likely. Before Ms. Heard arrived, she'd asked me to score either MDMA or ecstasy tablets before her arrival.
Okay. So once again, Ms. Heard's at fault for these texts.
I'm not blaming her for the text. I'm just stating the facts.
Okay.
That was a dumb statement from the attorney.
Let's talk about
he's trying to fight with
Ms.
Johnny.
Heard arrives in March in 2015. You can go ahead and actually, you know what? Let's
all these
go
young
down
women back there,
one,
like in
Michelle, because we're going to fast forward a few days and we're going to
Let's be
come
Johnny
back.
fans.
Actually, just one day. This is when you text Mr. I don't even remember if it was Holmes or Duders at this point.
Chat
Mr.
loves the
Holmes,
girl in
correct?
green.
And you text him and you
Girl in
say,
green is all right.
you know,
The girl in brown.
yeah. So we
cute too.
fast forwarded another couple of days, I guess 5 days, and you say, need more whitey stuff ASAP, brother man, and the e-business, please. I'm in bad shape. Say nothing to nobody. Did I read that right?
You did, sir.
Okay. And I wanted to take a look at that, Mr. Depp, because you just testified that Ms. Heard was the one who wanted ecstasy. But in fact, when you sent this text on March 7th, 2015, this was right after you cut your finger off.
No.
And right after you told the doctor that you cut your finger off, you were asking for cocaine and ecstasy. That's entirely possible, correct?
I'm not sure that you have the date correct about when my finger was chopped off.
Okay. Let's take a look.
I'm pretty sure that the date was the 8th.
If he got the date wrong, that was so good that he caught him on that.
Pretty sure you got the date wrong.
The date wrong. But it allowed him to get all that extra stuff in, right? No, you remember my finger was chopped off, right?
Yep.
And you're not getting the facts right here. You know, you're trying to make me seem bad, but at least get the facts right. It was the 8th.
And is he going to account for the time change and the difference in time? Like, it depends on how, if he's going by text message, timestamps.
Now,
he's got to
Mr.
have
Depp,
the
you
right.
remember testifying. Let's put it this way. Sometimes these texts, the dates of the text messages, you would agree that they're obviously Australia,
what you're
12
saying.
hours different.
Exactly what
from
you
this
just
part of the
said.
world, correct? Or something like that.
Something like that. Sure, I'll agree with you on that.
So the text, the date stamps and time stamps that are reflected on these texts may be reflecting a different time than when they were actually sent.
Objection foundation calls for speculation.
You'd agree with that, right?
No, I'll sustain the objection.
Okay.
Objection. He's not an expert on time.
Well, then let's do this. So
Or
is it
cell
your
phones?
testimony that
This cross
Right after you
examination
cut
is
your finger off,
brutal for the
you-
attorney.
right
He's
after-
dying up here.
I won't give you anything to argue with me yet. Right
Get it
after you
together,
suffered
guy.
the injury to your finger, that you. Right
John-
after
This is a
you suffered the injury to
disaster.
your finger, is it your testimony that you did
Johnny's
not
winning
ask
these
for
exchanges.
cocaine and ecstasy right after you told the doctor about your finger injury? Is that your testimony?